Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is continuation from the last video that I have shown you the faulty electronic part. This is a triac. So it was replaced from an electronic repair shop, which is it cost me around $15 to repair 1.5. So this part was replaced, and this and this. So these three component. This component controls the drain motor or the drain pump. So now it's the moment of truth. We will going to install it and try. Okay, so first thing we do, we remove the soaping cabin, or this is for the soap box, and then we remove the screws. Then we'll open the other screws of the back. So for this video, the other videos, it's a presentation for the other repair with regards to the washing machine. So after we remove the two screws, we just pull it out like this. Then we have now the top part being removed. Next step is we open the other two screws for the front side of the front face of the control unit. So after we remove the two screws on top, now it's time to open. Okay, so this is the mark where the component turns. Now we will going to install the repaired control. Okay, so we align this to this because there is a slot here, or there's a groove. Okay, once we aligned it, you can turn this to align the slot. So once it is aligned, we can start to install it like this. This goes here and this goes over there. So you can simply slide it in like this, then push inside and make sure that everything is fixed. You can hear the clicking. That means it is slotted properly. Then double check that this groove or this stopper is inserted. Okay, so cross check whether the function is working. Next is we need to fix the screws. One here, one here. So we just fix the control electronic control unit, and we verified that all the function, the switches are working. Now it's time to fix back the wiring connector. So we start connecting. On my other video, I mentioned there that you need to take photo so that it will be easy to refix back. So, but as you see here, there are a slot and guide. So you just follow as per the slot. Okay, so to verify whether the switch is okay or not, using our multimeter, we're going to check the switch. So here and here, it's contact. Now I turn off. The same on the other side. So this and this are the contact point. This and these are the contact point. So that means our switch, the switch is working well. This power switch. So we verified that the switch is working well. Now it's time to fix back the power cable. So this is the power switch. So on my other video, I shown them there how to fix our connection reference. This two wire connects here on the bottom side, and then the other red wire connects on the other side, and the blue one is here and the other one is here. Okay, so we have successfully connected the cables. Now it's time to fix it back. There are 4 slots here that need to insert this. So here, make sure that you slot it properly through the guide, like that, and fix the screw here. Okay, so we connected from the slot soaping box to the groove. Now we are fixing the screws. Okay, so next, so we installed the screw. Now we can fix back the soaping box, soaping cabin, and then we can start fixing the screws here. Same on the other side. Then verify that all are in proper connection. This is for the water level. So pressure come up, the diaphragm close, and it gives signal to start water refilling during water refilling process. Okay, water level sensor. Capacitor. This is the spring for the anti-vibration, the counterweight of the drum. the soaping. This is the water inlet. Okay, so now we will going to close it and to try. Okay, so we fix everything, the front cover, control, soaping box, the connection. Now it's time to fix the cover. So you just have to slide it into this and here. And then to screw the back cover. So now it's done. We will going to connect it to the water line and the power line to check. Okay, so whenever you do servicing or cleaning up your washing machine, make sure to clean the filter, because this filter most of the time it's getting blocked with sand or dirt, which is restricting the flow of water to your washing machine. Okay. Okay, so we have just connected the water line, and we keep the drain hose down. Just to check, let us put it here. Okay, so we connect the power and turn on. So off, turn on. Okay, so our control is working. Let us try the selector. Cotton, rapid, night wash, spin. So we verify that the controller is working properly. The display is also working good. We try with the spin. Okay, start, and our washing machine is working properly. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you learned something from this video. Again, thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. If you have any question, please message me, and as soon as I am free to reply, I will get back to you. I'm sharing the knowledge so that everyone, somehow they can fix their household appliances. Not only household appliances, I have so much knowledge about industrial automation control and all. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day ahead, or have a nice weekend or weekdays. I don't know. Thank you. Goodbye and God bless. Bye.